Hello everyone, I'm Oz and in this video I'll be talking to you about a course by Tony Robbins called Time of Your Life. Uh, so this is something that I recommend to a lot of my friends. I do this course every 4 5 years just to refresh and put together whatever is there in my mind and what's been going on in my life. So the reason I'm talking about this is because it really matters. When you do when I meet people and friends who don't have a vision and they're just like living, surviving, but that's not how life should be. And the the way that this course has helped me is that one is that it pushes you to first of all establish those things. What are your personal categories of improvement? What are your professional categories of improvement? Personal categories, for example, be it your health, spirituality, your family, your love, your nature of giving, that's to help. So those all come in your personal categories of improvement, hobbies as well. Then you have your professional categories of improvement. That could be your work, your studies, and so on and so forth. Financial, how you're investing your whatever money you have or your time as well. So it's very important to first of all dig into these things. And this course really helped me, and Tony really helped me find that. It's not easy to just come up with, oh my God, I know what I want to do in my life. No, it doesn't work like that. So so over the course in the initial few chapters, he pushes you to dig in what's important to you, what's important and urgent to you, what are the things that you're doing don't matter, to find that balance, in your life. Once you find that balance, it's good. I have my vision, I have my purpose, but then you need to put in the what they call it OPAs, outcome, purpose, and action. So you have your outcome, you have your purpose, why. Then you dig into why you want to do this. So you need to spice it up a little bit. You just want to say, I want to be fit, but why you want to be fit? So it pushes you to spice it up and add in an charismatic or fun factor to it, which is again a great thing been said in the course. And then once you have that fun factor, once you found your purpose, why you want to do this, why you want to be fit, why you want to be the family man, why you want to be the lover, why you want to be the known helper, the person who helps everybody, Mr. Help a lot. Why? So that why needs to be very strong. And once you find that, once you connect your vision with your emotion, that's when the magic happens. And this is what he tries to do in at least half of the course. Moving forward in the course, once you have that outcome, once you have the purpose, the why behind it, then you move on to the action. How do I make it happen? So you say, okay, I have this is my vision, this is my purpose for 5 years, 10 years time. So then what we do is we move, okay, now this is my plan for 1 year time towards that purpose. This is my quarterly plan for this. And then you start scheduling it. You schedule it into your calendar so that you can have a weekly plan that goes towards your monthly, that goes towards your quarterly, that goes towards your yearly, and 10 year and vision, is very important. So moving forward, it helps you put that, and lastly, it teaches you how to analyze this. You can keep doing things without any measurement, and it doesn't work like that. You need to measure yourself. You need to keep yourself in check. You need to keep your visions in check, and you need to see what are the things that you're doing with priority, which are uh, which are needed. Because like they say, 80% of the result comes from 20% of the action. A lot of times we do things which are not required, and we still end up doing them. But this is where this course teaches you how to delegate or not even do those things which were just in our head. put it on paper, and then we prioritize things and do the ones which are most important, and the rest are not required, and we still manage to achieve our goals. So yeah, so this was like a short take on Time of Your Life by Tony Robbins. His other stuff, his books are also great. And thank you, Tony. Thank you for this course. It has really helped me develop a vision and be a believer. And yeah, it's great. So if you enjoyed this video, please do smash the like button. Please do subscribe to watch more of me and stuff like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.
If you want to support me in making these videos, hop onto my Patreon, Ozwan Windu, link in the description below, to buy me a drink, get me a meal, or book a Zoom call with me. Thank you.